Ladies and gentlemen, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy T right here, and yes, man, I'm back with another sneaker video. And you already know, you seen the title. We got some more Jordan Lows in our hand right now. Jordan Lows is back in the building for your boy. We got him, man. And listen here, I'm gonna go ahead and just pull them on out so you can see him. And wow, what we got is the Mocha Lows here. And what can I say? Tell me, man. Tell me they ain't hot. Tell me they ain't hot. If they not, then know what? Don't say nothing. But guess what? They hot. All right. So yo, check it out. We got the black laces in one, and we got some peach laces in the other. For me, I'm gonna go with the peach lace sneaker because I think the peach laces brings out the sneaker more. But just in detail of it, man, you already know how we do, man. We got the brown mocha trimming through the whole sneaker itself. We got the white siding with the white toe box with the white bottom sole. Also, we got the black tongue with the peach Jordan symbol as well. And also we have the gray Jordan stitching in the back as well. I'm telling you, man, this sneaker itself is amazing, man. I truly, I'm astonished by it, man, because look at the pink fabric in the middle, man. The pink fabric itself, like the sneaker, it definitely stands out a lot. For me, like I said, I rarely don't have brown sneakers like this here, but the fact of the matter is to have a brown sneaker with these types of laces, like I said, it was a must. I had to get them. And like I told everybody before, I'm more of a Lows type of guy, because the reason why I like the Lows as a lot is because you can use them and you can wear them with different varieties of things. You know, like I said, you can wear them casually. You know, you can wear them. I mean, just period. You know, so I like rocking the Lows. And like I said, man, the arsenal is building up. So we ended up getting these on Wednesday. The shipment came to the house. Actually, it came with 2 pair of sneakers. You know what? Stay tuned. I might give you a sneak peek of that. Nah, y'all know. Just catch the next video. We gonna give y'all another look of some more Lows I got as well. And I must say, they fire too. You know what I mean? But yeah. So we ended up getting them Wednesday, and like I said, I was gonna put the video out that night, but I was tired. Then Thursday came, which was Thanksgiving. By the way, hope everybody had an amazing Thanksgiving. But here we are today, getting the video out to you. And like I said, the sneaker was originally supposed to come out, I think it was pushed back by Nike, if I'm not mistaken. But it was something that we was trying to get for a minute now. I've been trying to get my hands on them as well. But we finally got a pair of them, and boy, I must say, these are hot. So yo, if you could definitely get a pair of these, hey, definitely get them. They are very, very comfortable. And what can I say, man? I mean, we arsenal up over here, man. We got Lows for days now. We're gonna continue to grow with the Lows, and yeah, man. Here we go again, man. Last look at them, man. Here we go. Like I said, man, we got the black laces, we got the peach laces. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think about the lace swap. You tell me which ones you think will look better if you was wearing them. Again, like I said, I like the peach. I guess depending on what I wear, but as of now, it'll be the peach. And like I said, we end up wearing some dark color. We'll switch up to the black. But yeah, man, you know how we do on the channel. Got to give you guys some up close and personal shots of the sneaker as well. And yeah, man, again, love and blessings. I thank you all so much for the support. And again, more Lows on the way. So